Welcome to Uptime.com and to our tutorial on managing incidents on your status page. In this video, we're going to walk through the status page incidents feature. We'll be diving into how you can create, update, and manage incidents to keep your subscribers informed about service disruptions and maintenance events in real time. Incidents are created and communicated on your status page to help convey the state of downtime events to your user base in real time. They hold the complete chronology of an event from start to finish, with every status change in between. Each incident can be in one of the following statuses: investigating, monitoring, identified, maintenance, notification, or resolved. Let's explore what each of these means. Investigating is used for unidentified events when you're still determining the cause. Monitoring can indicate that developers have released a fix and the team is closely monitoring the results. Identified means the issue has been identified. Maintenance is used when updating part of your website. Notification is for updates with no impact on client service, and resolved is shared after monitoring confirms the fix works. There are several ways to add incidents in Uptime. You can click Status Pages, then All Status Pages to display the All Status Pages view. Locate your desired status page and click More Actions, then add Incident. Alternatively, while managing a status page, click the Incidents tab, then click New Incident. You can also click Status Pages, then Incidents to display the All Incidents view, and from there, click New Incident. When creating a new incident, you'll need to fill in several key fields. First, enter a title for your incident. This field is required. Next, set your starts and ends times. The start date and time indicate when the incident began. You can leave this blank to start the incident when the form is saved. The end date and time show when the incident concluded. Leave this blank if the incident is ongoing. It's possible to backdate incidents if you need to acknowledge downtime retroactively. Please note that incidents are rounded to the nearest minute, and the start date cannot be in the future. You'll see a checkbox for "This incident's duration will contribute to global downtime calculations." When checked, this incident will count toward your overall downtime metrics. Next, select your status page. This is where the incident will be published, and this field is required. You can optionally select the components affected by this incident and choose their status, such as degraded performance or major outage. There's also an option to update selected components with these statuses when the form is saved. Keep in mind this only takes effect once the incident's start date commences. In the Update section, select an incident status. This field is also required. Then, provide your incident details. This is where you describe what's happening and the service is impacted. Markdown is supported for complex formatting, so you can use bold, italics, links, and more. Use double spacing to begin a new line. Once you're finished, click Add to review your incident description before publishing. Once you've filled in all the required fields, click Create Incident to publish your incident to the status page. When an incident is created, updated, or resolved, you have the option to notify status page subscribers of the update. This option is selected by default, and there is a 2-minute delay before the update is sent. When an incident is resolved, you can also choose to reset all affected components to operational status, which is highly recommended. Now let's look at how to view and manage all your incidents. Navigate to Status Pages, then Incidents to see the All Incidents view. This page displays all incidents across all your status pages and includes several helpful features. At the top, you'll see summary cards for total active incidents, investigating, monitoring, identified, maintenance enabled, and resolved. Simply click any card to filter and view all incidents with that status. The incident table shows key information including details, the status page column that displays which status page is connected to each incident, the most recent update status, start time, and end time. Ongoing incidents are labeled with an indicator badge to easily identify active incidents at a glance. To manage individual incidents, simply click the three dots on the right side of any incident row. This will give you options to edit the incident or delete it entirely. This makes it easy to update incident details or remove incidents that are no longer needed. You can use the search bar to quickly find specific incidents and apply filters to narrow down your view. Note that all incident functions, including creating and updating incidents and statuses, can also be performed through the Uptime.com REST API. And that wraps up managing incidents in Uptime.com. We hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to effectively communicate service status to your subscribers and manage incidents throughout their lifecycle. Be sure to explore the Incidents feature and see how it can enhance your status page communication. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.